Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 19th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, FOMC last night really wasn't that big of a mover at all. If you watched my live stream last night, you know that I was saying that this definitely looks like almost a perfect ABC correction, and it still looks like almost a perfect ABC correction. Normally, your target for wave 5 is around 100% of wave A projected off of wave 4, and that is pretty much where we just turned. We are trying to break structure. I think that little break of structure that we are trying to make is should confirm that this really is the end of an ABC and it really is continuing the uptrend. So keep an eye on this little structure right here. If it breaks and holds that structure, then I definitely would get back to longs because the trend is definitely still up on all the higher time frames. If it just rejects that structure or doesn't break that structure and hold, then you probably could look for shorts because it is definitely possible it goes down to like the 78% or maybe even a little lower before it actually continues back up. But definitely keep an eye on your structure as always, and that should keep you trading in the right direction. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.